Good morning. We woke up at Nusa Penida, beautiful Nusa Penida. We just rented this beautiful scoopy. We love
and we're gonna show you around the island.
Let's go! These roads are so challenging. I hope the tires make it till the end of the trip, otherwise we in big trouble. Big trouble. That was a really bumpy ride, but we finally made it. We're heading to Angel's Billabong, and it forms a natural pool area, which you're gonna see. It really is impressive.
So next to Angel's Billabong, this place used to be a cave. It's called Broken Beach, and it's only accessible by boat. Angel's Billabong and the Broken Beach are just beautiful. Just make sure you go on low tide so you will be able to swim on the Angel's Billabong.
Yeah, I know we say this a lot, it's beautiful, but it is. Yeah,
there's nothing else we can say.
The natural pool over there is just beautiful, which you can swim. We're off to our next place. It's the Dinosaur Head. It's the Dinosaur Head.
We are on a motorbike, ready to go. 1, 2, 3, go! And the roads aren't easy.
Oh yeah, it continues.
Broken Roads Part 2.
Super excited, aren't you, to see?
Super excited.
To see a dinosaur head. We just found it.
We found it.
Have a look, have a look. Come on. Go. Dinosaur heads. T-Rex. For me, it looks more like a puppet from Sesame Street. So now we're going to attempt go down, maybe down to the beach. We will see.
It's a bit too hot.
So we're going down these stairs, all around, all the way down to the bottom and to the beach. Is it tricky?
Very.
And there's a long way to the bottom. Nearly arriving to the beach. Woo. Last few steps and we at the beach. Finally, after 1 hour hiking down, we made it. This is what we just done. All the way through here, through there, through there, through there, and to the top. That last clip that you just saw, I lost my sunglasses and my headband. I was a little bit upset about the sunglasses. I already had them for around 5 years. Those waves are really strong, and that's what happens. Saying goodbye to this beautiful beach, wavy beach.
I hurt my toe, one of my toes, really swollen. I don't know, I'm gonna get up, we'll see.
But it's gonna be even more tricky going all the way up to the top. Ready for this? Not looking forward?
Not looking forward to this one.
Really tired, sweating like pigs. The sun is about to set. We are halfway through. Thirsty, really thirsty. We don't have any water. We drank it all already, and this is what still left to be doing.
All the way up to the cliff.
Yeah, already done half. Well, a little bit more than half.
Literally like this.
Yeah.
Like this, it's like.
It's a bit easier going up than down. It's more secure.
It's easier coming up. It's more tiring, but I think it's better. Woo! Feel this wind is so refreshing.
We're really sweating. Leg day.
Not just leg day, full body.
Yeah, we're using our arms as well a lot. Look at those legs. Woo!
Yeah.
Ah, look! Just found a monkey.
There. Oh yeah.
Done it. Woo. Best feeling ever.
Tomorrow snorkeling?
Tomorrow snorkeling, no.
I'm dead.
Christian is learning some Indonesian.
Yeah.
Motorbike, supermoto.
Sepeda motor.
Sepeda motor.
Sepeda moto.
Sepeda motor.
Sepeda motor.
Okay. Go now.
What's your name?
Cristiano
Cristiano Ronaldo.
Sparrow.
Jack Sparrow.
Jack Sparrow. Nice to meet you, Jack Sparrow.
Very nice. And you?
Me, João.
Me, Juan.
My name,
Yes.
João. João, yes.
Jack Sparrow Junior.
What's your name?
Mandra.
Mandra.
And me, Parka.
Parka. I thought it was Putu. Putu.
Jack Sparrow.
Putu.
Putu Jack Sparrow.
We're about to take a picture, and this guy is already with our flag, Cabeçao. He wants to keep it. He wants to keep Cabeçao
Cabeçao.
in Indonesia.
Cabeçao.
Cabeçao.
Happy New Year. I love Cabeçao.
We love Indonesia, Nusa Penida.
Yeah, Nusa Penida.
Here he is, Cabeçao with my hometown. Here he is.
Nah.
Like this.
Cabeçao.
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 You like Nusa Penida?
Of course I like Nusa Penida. Love Nusa Penida, love Indonesia. Nossa, assim você me mata. Ai, se eu te pego, ai, se eu te pego. Delícia, delícia, assim você me mata. Ai, se eu te pego, ai, se eu te pego. Obrigado. Heading back now to our motorbike. We visited this, but as Cristiano was just saying,
I think it was worth it because of the people, you know. The place is beautiful, the views are astonishing, but the people are so friendly and nice. They make us feel like we are home.
it's always about the people. This
Yeah.
is just a place
They made our day.
Yeah.
Basically, they
Yeah.
made our day.
It's the people that counts. That's what we love.
Yeah.
Meeting new people, friendly people. And as per usual, Cristiano made another friend. And we're back at our hotel.
And I think I cracked my toe because it hurts quite a lot and it's all swollen.
And it looks pretty bad. Have a look. Where is it?
Not able to walk properly.
You can see it's a bit swollen.
Tomorrow will be better. And you lost your sunglasses,
Oh,
your
yeah.
beloved sunglasses.
I had them already for 4 or 5 years now, and I really like them.
He's gutted.
But parts, we'll buy a new one that will heal tomorrow. There's still a lot to do around this island. Thanks for watching.
Don't forget to subscribe and goodbye.